never waited.
Look at how this guy's sitting in the car right now.
Other than that,
so there's hella static on me. I feel the electricity.
Why do you have so much static on you?
I don't know, bro. I'm driving a Ford Fusion, bro. It's an electric car.
Yeah,
bro.
We are at the shop and we are filming another vlog. It's been so freaking long. Well, not freaking, say like at least like 9 days. A lot has happened within 9 days. There's a lot of crap that we needed to do. Also get all set up for what our spring booth is. So we're going to hopefully have that done. We got Dustin in the shop. Dustin, show him your hair.
why, dude?
Dude, show him your hair.
Looks like an
Oh
Asian Backstreet
my
Boy.
god.
Oh yeah.
What is that, dude? What are those? No kidding. So when you buy a FLIPZCO hat, it just dyes your hair like So we are going to start working on the Vette. We have a lot of parts coming in, which is awesome. We were sponsored by PBR, but now Gate is here. we got the Budweisers ready to go. So we got good friends. Gata and Dustin have beer. I have some tools. I get my steering wheel tomorrow. I get Part Shop Max drift knuckles. Shout out to Tommy and whoever runs the Part Shop Max page for hooking us up with just status updates all the time. I think they shipped it yesterday from freaking California or Nevada or something like that, and we're getting it tomorrow. So we're gonna wait for the suspension parts to come in, so then we can actually, if we have the car on the lift, we're just gonna do everything. We're gonna do the dual caliper kit, we're gonna do the hydro, we're gonna do knuckles and suspension, and then at that point, it's ready to go test. I did also get a full containment seat, but other than that, what the hell are you doing, dude?
I mean, I could see over this thing.
Yeah, I can't see over that. Well, stand up straight? That is insane.
Nope, can't stand up straight.
I love how it snugs you. All right, so Sparko, you guys did one hell of a job because even Gata's skinny ass fits in it perfectly fine and is stuck. So you're gonna have bruises on your hip now. But all right, let's just get started, guys. I don't know exactly what the hell I'm doing, but I'm doing. I guess that's part of working on cars, is just trying to figure it the hell out. I hope I don't break any clips. I hope I don't break nothing, but if I do, oh well.
Hey, I'm on the TV.
You're not my dad.
What are you doing, dude?
Bro, I need to put the battery in so we can turn the effing wheel.
What did you just say about knowing how to work on cars?
You don't gotta.
Oh, watch this airbag blow up. Boom!
You just gotta put the key in and turn the thing to unlock.
No, it doesn't. Try it. I'll take the battery off. Go ahead.
Really?
Take it off.
So if your battery dies, you're up because your steering wheel is locked and your shit. Turn it more. Now you step on the brake, turn it the fuck.
And do the hokey pokey, right? All right, hook it up. Let's go.
Oh, now you guys want me to hook
Just.
I climbed over here.
Just unhook it, man. Let's go.
I jumped over here because I had no idea what I was doing because I never worked on a car before. That's why, right, Dustin?
You wouldn't last a day in my shop.
Well, that's because you're a body shop.
Which way we going, left or right?
Turn to the left. So Dustin kicked me out of the way because he said I don't know what I'm doing.
You don't.
Do you know what you're doing?
Yep.
Yeah? Alright, let's see the struggle. That's what happens when you go American. That freaking dad hat though, and then also the merch too. Dustin's got that merch, bro.
Did you order the food yet?
What food?
Bruh.
How the hell am I supposed to order food that I don't know what you want?
Oh, if you see here,
I mean, you can go there.
we got a T20
margaritas.
something.
Have some tacos. I mean,
What?
who doesn't want to get hammered off margaritas and eat some tacos?
We're about to find out.
So here's a heads up. If this airbag explodes, it's because Dustin wants to go the short route and not take out the safety precaution.
brother.
And you know what I just noticed? We didn't wait 15 minutes for that battery.
Who gives a I've never waited 15 minutes to take an airbag out.
Well, this is American, so it's supposed to work.
Go hook up the...
Nothing, but I really hope you don't die to that. Like dizzy as hell, it's because Gate is holding the camera. So if you're like Yeah, Gate is holding the cam. He works on cars every day at the auto body shop. So usually when he works on cars, the airbags are already deployed. So
That's not true.
I don't know what's gonna happen here, but
This video,
you know,
would be
I
great.
think if I have Dustin, ooh, we can't even tell him what you got.
No.
We can't even tell you guys what you got, but Dustin's
Guess
got another
down
car.
below.
What he got.
Dustin's got another car.
First person to guess correctly
Do you want to do
with
a
a sticker.
what? Yeah,
What kind of car I'm building on the side.
it's cheap, and he still doesn't want to build it. Ooh. Ooh.
That's a little scary, actually.
Did you do it? Welcome to the shop when we actually try to follow the guidelines, and then we have Mr. You know, I work on cars all day.
I don't work on Corvettes.
Tell us, yeah. Oh, I know what I'm doing. It's literally 2 bolts. We were supposed to take out this safety switch all the way to the end underneath the knee bolster, and then this is connected as well, and it's underneath the knee bolster. I guess Dustin's getting a little nervous now, like kind of like Jet Li when he was like cutting the red wire or the green wire. Yo, you need some safety. Oh, wow. There's your hot potato. So just for vlogging purposes, what Dustin did was he used the T27 with an extension and just kind of used his muscles. He used his muscles, and we disconnected the battery maybe like 15 times just in case so the airbags don't deploy.
You don't really need to do that. But
Don't
don't let OSHA hear you.
Listen, YouTube guys, especially if you're watching this video, do it. Don't listen to this guy.
Yeah, don't do that.
God forbid you blow your nose off or break your nose off Michael Jackson style. There's really no reason why you should not take the safety precautions. Screw it out really, really bad. That was pretty easy. I guess it's my muscles.
It's already broken.
You did it again. You touched the damn screen, and then the focus went off.
No, I turned it on and it turned it off all by itself.
Did you break it free? You're gonna break it.
Well, that came out.
Please, how long is tool rentals for? 90 days? Oh, perfect. Yeah, if you could check if you have a steering wheel puller, I'm literally right down the street. So right now we're on the phone with AutoZone. If we don't have the tool to pull the steering wheel, we're going to have to go and rent the actual tool itself. I got way too much time invested in trying to get the steering wheel off. I want to get it off today. It's just one of those things. Because even though we don't have the since we don't have the short hub and the quick release and the steering wheel itself, there's really no reason to rush this process, but I want to salvage this video, so I'm on the phone with AutoZone. We are going to get a steering wheel puller tool, and then we're gonna have Gata use his muscles because he's used to.
It's all in the tool. You let the tool do the work.
All about hunting and fishing and pulling steering wheels.
Wow. The boy's got the magic touch. What could I say? I think we got it off.
Did you do it?
That little foot there. Same thing on the other side, you know.
That's basically it,
You
right?
obviously can't see it if you're looking at it like this, but now that it's off,
So what Gata's basically trying to say is,
don't be an idiot.
in a way, it's gonna feel like it's wrong, but you have to kind of like force it in. You don't need lube, you just gotta spit on it and try and get it in there. But steering wheel's off. We will catch you guys back when all the new steering wheel parts are in, and we will continue this video and mount it on. right, guys, back to the video. We are back at the shop. I just wanted to show you something because now that Cody's here, you guys could see why he was being MIA and he wasn't in the vlogs and he was just working a lot. He has his brand new, I guess it's called like a welding work truck, but this is going to be what's hauling majority of the cars for either H2O, drift events, yada, yada, yada. Rowdy's garage is going to be imprinted on the side, but this is a 2010 3500. My boy stepped up to the dualies. Honestly, I think we have the sickest driveway with the Tundra and the 3500 outside. Let's go check on and see what Cody is up to. I'm pretty sure he's working very, very hard. On the new tow rig.
Featured at H2O this year.
What?
It's gonna be at H2O this year.
What them for?
No. No, we're just gonna tow everyone's cars out of the impound.
Okay, deal.
Are you allowed to watch this?
Oh, I don't know, but we just got demonetized. What are you watching, bro?
It's called Big Mouth.
It's like cartoons for older people.
Yeah, I guess so.
We're headed. Let me head to the back. I got literally 30 minutes to get this video done, so I'm gonna crack it out, get everything done. We got the knuckles in. We're waiting on some coilovers from our sponsor that we will be releasing a video shortly. Just to recap, we have the old steering wheel out, shipped out. So we waited all weekend for our parts to come in, and we are going to get started installing the brand new steering wheel setup. Now, just want to let you guys know, I'm pretty pumped on this. The little things are starting to come in for the car. I've been working with Cody. He has this super clean 26,000 original mile SI on the lift, and the Vette should probably be going on there shortly. Get to the install of this video because I really don't have that much time and I really want to update you guys because I'm excited. We got our brand new OMP. Actually, it's not brand new. I actually got it on eBay, which I don't really suggest use steering wheels, but I've always loved this specific OMP wheel. I believe it's the 120 model, but this is what it says on the back, 026W. But I've always liked this deep dish steering wheel, and they don't make them anymore from what I believe, so I wanted to get something. The guy kept it in pretty decent shape. The suede isn't all messed up, and the stitching looks really, really good. Then you have your SRK 170H short hub. It has your horn prong and whatnot. I don't have a horn button for the OMP wheel, so I don't really necessarily need it. I will be driving the Vette on the street, but I'm gonna try and figure out if we could set up an air horn or something on a switch. And then Cody hooked me up from Rowdy's garage with NRG quick release. It's basically all you need. With your boys hooking you up with a quick release, the problem is that he doesn't have any of the original bolts, which is perfectly fine. I set an order on Amazon, but I wanted to update you guys, and I was too damn excited to not have the steering wheel mounted. So what I did was I went to my local Home Depot and picked up Everbuilt. It's M10-32, and then it's a 1/2 inch. So make sure you get the 1/2 inch. They're not Allen keys, so it's just a Phillips. I don't know if you could see it. So I'm just gonna basically mock it all up, get it in the car, and have you guys see it. And then on Wednesday, when the actual bolts come in for the specific hub and quick release, I'll put it on. But I don't need this airbag thing. I was gonna try and keep it as OEM as possible, but
there we go.
Thanks, buddy. Broken airbag thing for a C5 Corvette for sale. I just use the bolt, as long as it's set.
Where the hell is it?
Happen again. I'm gonna let you sit in this thing and you're gonna be like, dude, we're gonna need to put pedal assemblies on mounted to the floor. NRG, sponsor us, dude. Or OMP.
There we go.
All right, hold on. Stay in there, or get out really quick.
Which one? Stay in or get out?
However you float, whatever floats your boat. Get out.
Pulls out rather than be a jerk about it.
Actually, you installed it. You sit in it, and you tell me how it feels.
Install it.
You installed it. So Cody kicked me out of my own install because he said I was rushing, and when you're rushing, it never goes well. Come to find out that my fiance just called, said that she doesn't need me for another hour. She's running late at work, which makes life a lot. Holy crap, dude. This thing looks absolutely awesome. So the good part about this is I think we still have adjustment on this tab right here. So we'll have a power adjustment to bring it in and out a little bit more. After showing you guys that attachment of pushing the hub in and out, I think that's going to be super awesome for the fact that it's not necessary, but especially that I can't reach the pedals on this thing. This is actually where this is actually where the drift car was last time. So the wheel was right here, and then hopefully we can adjust this toggle to bring the hub in a little bit more. I don't really know how much it's going to bring it in much by. I'm not going to plug in the battery to find out, but I think on our first test day we'll see if the C5 Vette works for this right now. But it looks sick. Everything looks pretty sick.
Meet you at the shop or what?
No, I'll meet you at your house and we'll just take one car. But say hi to the vlog.
Okay. Hi, vlog. Like, share, subscribe.
All right, thanks, babe. All right, I'll talk to you in a bit.
Okay, bye.
Love you, bye. All right, so you heard her, guys. Like, share, subscribe, and we will catch you guys on the next video. We have a lot of goodies. We got the Knuckles from Part Shop Max. We got our new coilover sponsor that just sent our stuff in for, I believe it comes in on Wednesday, so we'll be able to do the install on the car. Not really, Vettes aren't really meant for short people. I mean, they technically are, because how short everything is, but yeah, I'm super excited on this build, and now that the parts are coming in, we can enjoy it little by little. So like, share, subscribe, and we will catch you guys on the next video, and we'll see you on Wednesday. Peace.
A, B, C, D, E.